Hiatus subscriptions and bills, quite popular app. The smart way to monitor your accounts, track your subscriptions, and get control of your money. Our money saving app helps you achieve more in 3 easy steps. Consolidate all your spending into one place. Track your financial activity over time. Identify any bad financial habits. Use Hiatus tools recommendations to save on our money. Hiatus is designed to help you take your money further. In addition, and helping you spend smarter, bank level security. So here is the app. Get control of your money, and you just can't, you can also negotiate in here, budget with precision, and then here you can just tap. So then you can just use this, and then you can continue as a guest, and then select your institution. For example, you select your bank, and then you need to continue to log in at Chase. Make sure, so then you can just check your savings account, and then you just need to add your account, and that's basically the idea how you can just try to use it in here. So something like that. That's basically the idea how it works, and that's how you get started.